And welcome, Army of the Gorax! This is only just a few of you, but welcome to the Gorax training facility, even though there's not that many recruits. Oh well. Anyways, to recap, we have so many armed troops and so many others, snipers, troopers, titans, so many that we don't even know what the heck to do with. And to recap, another thing, that the best part of this is that we are the real heroes of the world. And now, with our Sentry and our Sentry manager up there, Nightmare. Whee! Apparently, he appears to be having fun. Okay. Now then, the Gorax armor is so powerful, none can defeat it. None, I say! None! But you see, Army of the Gorax, I can push you around as much as I want, like this. And this. And this. See? And you all don't care. Because I'm the Gorax! And, anyways, that is our mission briefing. I hope that you all were quite educated. Later.